Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make black bean burgers. Black bean burgers are a great option if you're vegetarian, trying to cut out a little bit of that red meat, or just need a healthy burger option. To start, you'll place half of a red onion into a food processor along with 4 cloves of garlic, and this is optional, but I like to add in 1 or 2 chipotle and adobo peppers for a little bit of heat. Then we'll go ahead and pop the lid on and pulse this until it's finely chopped. All right, next we'll move on to our black beans. You'll need 2 15-ounce cans of black beans, or about 4 cups. You want to drain off all of that liquid that comes with the black beans, and then you'll just want to rinse these off. Then we'll add those black beans into the food processor as well. Then we'll pulse it once again, and it's okay if you leave some of the black beans whole if you want a little bit of texture, or you can mash them all up into little bits. Then we'll transfer this all to a large mixing bowl. Next, you'll need some binding agents, so we'll add in 2 eggs and 1 cup of plain unseasoned breadcrumbs. That'll help hold this all together. Then you'll want to season it with 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and ½ a teaspoon of black pepper. Then we'll stir this all together and kind of mash those eggs in until everything is well combined and the ingredients are evenly distributed. Now you can always switch things up and add in different spices. I like the cumin because it pairs really well with the chipotle for kind of like a Mexican flair. But you could also do like Italian seasoning. Really, anything will work. Just experiment. Next, I'm going to use a ½ cup measuring cup to scoop out some of that black bean mixture. Then I'm going to use my hands to shape this into a nice little patty. You should get about 6 patties depending on how big or small you made them. Now there's no shrinkage with these like there is with traditional beef patties, so make sure you make your patties the exact size that you want for your bun. Now at this point you can pop them in the freezer and freeze the ones you're not going to use today for later use, or we can cook them up. Then there's 3 options for how to cook these. You can cook them out on an outdoor grill, just make sure it's well oiled so they don't stick. You can bake them in a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes, flip them halfway through, or today I'm going to cook it in a skillet on the stove. So I'll add in just a little bit of olive oil to cover the bottom of the pan, or you can use vegetable oil, and then just add in your patties, and we'll cook these for about 5 minutes per side. So after about 5 minutes, just give them a gentle flip. Then you'll want to gather together some of your favorite toppings, and you are ready to eat. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. And yes, I just talked with my mouth full.